Hi friends, let me show you this new mobility aid kit that I received for reviewing purposes. This is great if for any reason physically you need help to get in and out of your car or to get up from a chair. We're gonna test it and show you how it works. This one is aimed to be used in this accessory in your car door, okay? You put it like this and it will help you to get in or get out of your car. If you need more help, you can use this one here in the window. You can of course adjust it to the size that you need, like this. And you could even leave this here. You can close the window and use it to help you to get out or to sit down if you need help to do that, okay? These two accessories are great if for any reason you have difficulties to get in and out of your car, okay? And let me show you the last one. And with this one, anyone can help you to get up with care, carefully. Like this. This is not only for your car, you could even have a chair. It can help you to get up in any chair, from any chair or sofa. This one helps you for that. This one you can just take it down in your car, keep it there, and use it whenever you need it to help you get up. So this is a great kit if for any physical reason you need help to get up. Thank you.